Okay, Arabora, today you are going to write letter V, W, and X with the help of standing line and slanting line. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. First, V, slanting line, one more slanting line. This is letter
V.
V is for
Violin.
violin. Okay.
Vulture.
Vulture. Okay.
Vegetable.
Vegetable. Okay.
Van.
Van. Very good. Next letter is
W.
W. Standing line.
Standing line.
One more standing line.
One more standing line.
Slanting line.
Standing line.
One more slanting line.
One more standing line.
Yes.
Standing line.
Standing line.
One more standing line.
Yes.
Standing line.
One more slanting line.
One more standing line.
Standing line.
Standing line.
One more standing line.
One more standing line.
Slanting line.
Standing line.
One more slanting line.
One more standing line.
This is letter
W.
W is for
Watch.
watch.
Violet.
Walrus.
Whale.
Whale. Okay. And
Witch.
wrist. Very good.
Horse.
Watch. Very good. Which fruit start with W?
Watermelon.
Good. Watermelon. Okay. What you drink after food?
Water.
Water. Very good. Now next letter is
Axe.
X. Slanting line.
Standing line.
One more slanting line.
One more standing line.
Slanting line.
Standing line.
One more slanting line.
One more standing line.
Slanting line.
One more
Slanting line.
standing line.
One more slanting line.
One more standing line.
This is letter
Axe.
X. X is for
Xylophone.
xylophone and
Axis.
X-ray and
Anmatri.
Xmas tree. Very good, Arav. Good job. Very nice. Well done.
Hi friends. Thanks for watching. Now my video.